So we thought we would just sit down today and have a little talk with you, hang out, and explain where we're at with everything. No home renovation video today, even though I did get some good jobs done. Actually, I have the sink installed and the range hood installed. Stovetop is installed. Everything is going really well. The reason I can't show it yet is because we're still waiting on a couple things. I hate to say it, but
ran into some more issues.
Yep, we actually went to install the faucet, and our new faucet had a defect, so I had to send it back, and I'm waiting on a new one. Company's really great to work with, so no problems there. We'll get a new one soon. And then the range hood, I actually bought a cord for it because I wanted to plug in. You know, range hoods, some of them plug in, some of them are hardwired into the electrical. I don't like them hardwired, I just like them plug in, so I was going to add my own cord. I bought a cord. It was supposed to be a right angle, you know, like a flat cord, so that when it plugs in it goes down instead of out. But the cord they sent me sticks out. It was not...
It didn't look like the picture.
So I had to buy a new cord, and we're waiting for that. So everything is almost there. We're just waiting. And now some of you guys might think, wow, you run into so many problems. And we do, I think.
Yeah.
And you're probably going to think it's... I mean, honestly, we've had people get mad. We've even had a couple of people tell us they're unsubscribing from our channel because we run into so many problems. And some people think that we're just complaining or trying to badmouth companies, and we're not. Actually, we've always been very patient, honest, and easygoing about this stuff. The reason a lot of bad things happen to us, I guess, I don't want to say bad things happen. The reason we run into a lot of problems when we're buying stuff to renovate our home is not because of us so much, but there are a few reasons. And that's because we do a lot. That's the first reason. When you are doing a lot and buying a lot and moving as fast as we are, you're bound to run into problems. And the more you do and the more jobs you take on, the higher your odds of something going wrong. So I think that everybody runs into problems, but these jobs aren't usually piled on top of each other like we're doing. So it seems like a lot going on, like a lot going wrong. I think that's just the probability of odds where we're buying a lot. We buy a lot of stuff that comes out good as well. Another reason that we've run into a lot of problems is because there's been a breakdown in just the quality and standard of work in our country. I've seen over the last several years. This is something I've noticed with a lot of things, is that stuff is not listed properly. People are kind of lazy about listing, taking pictures, and being careful about shipping. So as sad as that is, it's really just the truth that a lot of people and a lot of companies just don't care enough. They don't care and they don't put the time and effort in. And that's not meant to be a bad mouth. I think that's just a general, true statement that people just don't care. There's no excuse for some of the mistakes that we run into. And some mistakes that we run into, we don't always show all the things we run into, is just dishonesty or a number of things, But it comes down to sloppy business on other people's end. Again, that has nothing to do with us. All we can do is take the chance. And that's the next reason why we run into a lot of problems, because we take chances. We don't like to stay in the safe zone all the time. A lot of people only buy what they know, only do what they know.
They never take risks.
We like to branch out, try new things, learn new things. And when you try new things, you're bound to run into problems.
Yeah.
But, you know what they say, no risk, no reward. We do get rewarded for the risks we take. For example, when we left New York, we had nothing. Well, almost nothing. And we had our element.
That we still have.
Yeah. But we left, kind of took a big chance to come out, and we've just had so many...
We bought that house in Indiana without even looking at it in person.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, who does that?
Yeah.
Not many.
We took a chance to make our life better. And so far, this series of events, this betterment of our lives has mostly worked. It's been good. We've been getting ahead and slowly getting to where we want to be in life. So sometimes you got to take risks, and we do that with everything because we like to learn and try new things. So we take risks. We buy a lot of stuff, and it's just business today. That stuff is broken or manufactured badly. So between those things, of course, we run into problems. But the important thing is that we're making progress, and it is getting done, despite the obstacles that we run into. So we should have those videos coming soon. Sink, stovetop, kitchen is nearly complete. It's been really nice eating at the table. We're loving it. And we have a surprise for you guys coming soon about our table and chairs. So stay tuned for that. Really awesome stuff. See, not everything bad happens. Sometimes good things happen too. The house, we got the bathroom window in. That's done.
Yeah. And it's so weird, like when we walk in it now, I feel like the window's like open because I'm not used to it being so
clear.
Like, clear.
We had a frosted glass window originally. And I think it too. It looks like it's wide open now.
Yeah.
It's cool.
I think, oh, who left the window open? But
Yeah.
it's like just the way it is.
So we got the bathroom window done. That looks good. We also got the bathroom fan finished. So now we can finally exhaust the humid bathroom air outside when we take a shower.
Before we were opening the window a little all winter. So we don't have to do that anymore.
And I didn't film any of that. I just kind of worked on my own, got it done. So now that the bathroom is done, we got to do window trim and stuff inside the house, but that is all done. Belle's window's done. Now all we got to do is the last end of the house. And the only reason I'm not starting that is because I don't have enough OSB sheathing to put on the house. We have 4 sheets left, and I need 6. Technically I need 7 sheets to do the end of the house. So I need to buy 3 more sheets. So that's it on the house renovation. We're making progress, nothing to share today. We've had some questions about the gardens, how they're doing. They're doing good. We haven't planted yet. It's still too cold here. We got a little while to wait and then we'll get stuff in there. We don't know exactly what we're growing yet. It depends on what seeds do the best. We're going to try.
Yeah.
We had a question about Belle, her diamond art painting thing. Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Diamond painting.
Diamond painting is kind of like pixel art. Picture cross-stitching or something, but it's like you take these little plastic diamonds and you stick them on a sticky paper to make a picture. There's a pattern. You just follow the pattern.
Yeah, there's like symbols on the stickiness and it's easy.
Yeah. Somebody suggested that we try diamond painting in our comments. Somebody mentioned it. So Ashley got looking into it and bought some for her and Belle. And Belle had a lot of fun with it. Somebody wanted to see it finished, so here it is. As you can see, it's a dragon. She had a lot of fun, I think, doing it, and it came out awesome.
Yeah.
And as you know, she stays busy drawing all kinds of things, and not always just doing dragons. She does branch out and do other things. She likes to draw birds, for example, and I thought we'd share one of her latest drawings that she did just the other day.
We've also been working on our living room walls. We've been papering them.
Yeah, I got to rip more paper tonight.
Once that's done, we can paint, and then...
And some of you guys, a lot of you guys, want to know, what are we going to do when the house is done? That's the big question. We just take it as it comes. Honestly, I have a lot of work in the barn I want to do. We have a lot of property clearing we got to do. There's projects. All kinds of projects.
We always find something to work on.
Yeah, so we're not worried about that. We're just going to go with the flow and see what happens. And that's it. I don't think we need to ramble too long. Just wanted to give you guys the update, let you know what we're doing, where we're at. We always appreciate you guys watching and being a part of this with us. We see you guys as family. We enjoy sharing with you and showing the progress that we're doing. And just, it's nice to have somebody to share it with, you know, to show whatever's happening. So we appreciate that, appreciate the gifts, appreciate the comments. But it's getting chilly. We're going to collect some eggs, take care of the chickens, and get inside for the night. So She's broody.
Yeah, she's been broody for weeks. She's always in here, sitting on some eggs, and I bring her to the coop each night.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care.
Bye.